morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, first we will discuss yesterday's homework. All of you have done the homework.
Yes, ma'am.
4 sentences
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने दिया था. What was the first sentence? She said, "I am waiting for my son." यही था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She said, "I Who will answer this?
Ma'am.
Okay, Priyanshu.
Ma'am, she said that she was waiting for her son.
Priyanshu Ranjan. Priyanshu Ranjan, can you hear me? Priyanshu? Priyanshu? Priyanshu, can you hear me? Pooja Kumari? Pooja?
Ma'am.
Ashish Raj. Same students every day. Harshit Raj? Harshit Raj? Pooja Kumari?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, answer this question. Is
Yes,
going
ma'am.
change to indirect speech.
She told to me that she was waiting for her son.
She said that. तो me नहीं दिया हुआ ना. So she said that she
Yes, ma'am.
was. Repeat your answer.
She was waiting for. She said that she was waiting for her son.
Yes, very good. Okay. Then Harshit Raj. Harshit Raj, can you hear me? Harshit? What was the second sentence? She said, I've completed the
Anita
project.
said, I have completed the project.
Anita said.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Wait, someone who doesn't respond. I have to completed the project. Okay. Participants.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Abhishek Singh. Abhishek Singh. Abhishek, can you hear me? Abhishek Singh. Aryan Kumar 9B, roll number 18. Aryan Kumar. Aryan. Aditi. Aditi Kumari. Aditi. Every day she joins the class but never responds. Aditi Kumari. 9E. Aditi, Anurag Roy, Anurag. Okay, Abhishek Kumar, you want to answer? Abhishek Kumar. Okay, Tanvi, you answer. Tanvi hasn't. Tanvi? Hello? Hello, Tanvi, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Can I?
चलो पूजा आंसर करो. अब
Anita said that she had completed her project.
yes,
No,
Anita said that
Anita, तू हुआ ना?
she had completed.
Ma'am, here present perfect changes to the to past perfect.
Yes, present perfect changes to the past perfect. The first sentence, present continuous, has changed to past continuous. So what is the
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो विजय लक्ष्मी, you want to ask?
मैम said की जगह मैम told ना होगा.
Said it is not given to whom she said to me. If this is given, then Anita told me.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम तो told होता हो जाता शायद.
हाँ, अगर दिया, if it is given to whom she is saying, then it is told. If it is not given to whom she is talking, then you will use said only. Is it clear, Vijay Lakshmi? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here it is not given to whom Anita is talking. So you will use said. Only if it is given to whom she is talking. Okay. What is the third sentence?
Ma'am, can I?
First tell me the sentence. I don't remember it.
Father said,
Ma'am,
I
can I
will
read
go to
the third sentence?
Father said.
I will go to Delhi next week.
Okay. Next week. So father said. Ashish Raj answer. Ashish.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
अच्छा आशीष
ma'am,
कौन सा
father said that
Ma'am, can I?
father said that he would go to Delhi next week.
Father said that he would go to Delhi the following week. Next week changes to the following week. Okay. Then what is the fourth sentence?
Rohit said that I've been studying in DAV for 10 years.
Rohit said I have been studying in DAV for 10 years. Okay, Vijay Lakshmi.
Ma'am, I answer Vishakha.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Rohit said that he had been studying in DAV for 10 years.
Yes, Rohit said you'll use that in between, then I will change to he, have will change to had, other things will remain same. Okay. In
Ma'am, here present perfect continuous changed to past perfect continuous.
yes, present perfect continuous. It has changed to past perfect continuous. So you have your copies and pen beside. Hello. You can
Yes, ma'am.
you note down these changes. Will changes to wood. Okay, so will in present, will in direct will change to would. Okay, so then can changes to, you note it
Could.
down in your copies. Can changes to could.
Would.
Okay, will changes to would, can changes to could, may.
मैम मैम आप कल ये सब चीज लिखवाई थी तो मैं फिर से लिखने की जरूरत है क्या?
ये नहीं लिखवाए थे, ये नहीं लिखवाए थे. Is MR changes to was where this I
चेंजेस लिखवाई थी मैम जिसमें.
no this may changes to might. Okay, shall changes, shall also changes to would. Shall doesn't change to should. Shall changes to should, would. Then number 5, today changes to that day. Okay,
मैम प्लीज कॉलम.
क्या? Shall changes to would. Today changes to
मैम
that.
फर्स्ट वाला मैम लाइन दिखाइए.
कौन वाला? फर्स्ट वाला. फर्स्ट वाला है will changes to would.
ओके.
You can note it down in your copies. Will changes to would, can changes to could, then may changes to might, shall also changes to would, today changes to that day, then yesterday changes to
The previous day.
the previous day, or the day before.
The day before.
दोनों में से कुछ भी लिख सकते. Okay, then
Or the day after.
okay, day after. So you have to remember these changes. Will changes to would, can changes to could, may changes to might, shall also changes to would, today changes to that day, yesterday changes to the previous day or the day before. दोनों में से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Previous day or day before. Tomorrow changes to the following day, the day after. Now changes to then. Okay, here changes to there. So now changes to then, here changes to there, this changes to that. This changes to that. Okay. Here changes to there, this changes to that.
These changes to those.
These changes to those. You leave two or three lines here. I don't, maybe I've missed something. इतना तो मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है. Okay. So here, there, this, that, these
changes to क्या है?
these, वो तो लिखवा दिए. This changes to that, these changes to those.
Ma'am, आप tomorrow change to the following के बाद हम 7, 8, 7, 8, 9 में ऐसे करके मैम.
क्या बोली विशाखा? Repeat your.
मैम 7 के बाद में 7, 8, 7, 8 मैम सीरियल नंबर थोड़ा.
Serial number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8 or 9, 10. Oh, हाँ. 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So you have to remember these changes. Okay.
Ma'am,
हाँ. Yes, Rija.
ma'am,
Ago.
ma'am, tonight. Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
tonight
that
changes.
changes to that night.
कुछ नहीं देखा था.
That is logical. Today changes to that day, so tonight changes to that night. So if you want, I will mention it. Tonight, that night. Okay. Today changes to that day, so tonight changes to that night. Ago changes to before. Yeah, man. So, apart from the rules for the change of tense, is, am, are changes to was, were, has, have. So this we dealt yesterday also. Is, am changes to what? Is, am was or were. Then has, have changes to had. So this you have to remember, and apart from that, all these changes.
Ma'am, वहाँ पे R छूट गया exam के साथ.
अच्छा, R छूट गया. Is, am, are changes to was, were. So has, have changes to had. Okay. So, and then you have to remember the exceptions to the rules. Universal truth, scientific fact, and proverbs. In three cases, you don't change the tense. For universal truth, for proverbs, and for scientific facts, you don't change the tense. So now we move on to commands, request, and suggestion. So commands, request, and suggestion use, you can note it down, use 2 plus V1 infinitive. So for normally when you change from direct to indirect, you change it into the past tense. But In command, request, and suggestion, you don't change into the past tense. You use the present itself. Example will make it clear. He said to, and you have to use 2 plus v1, and you have to use verbs like commanded, ordered, requested, suggested, advised. Okay, so like if it is a simple statement, in simple statements you are using said or told. Yesterday we dealt with statements. So in statements you use said or told, but in commands, request, and suggestion, you'll change the word. You'll use commanded, ordered. Commanded when it refers to a big group. The officer commanded the soldiers. Then ordered, requested if it is a request. So you how to understand whether a sentence is a request or an order. If please is given, then it is a request. If simply something is given to be done, then it is a order. So he said to me, please open the door. So how will you do it? Who will answer?
Srija.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, he told
Requested
Ma'am, may I?
me to open the door.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, he requested me to open the door.
Okay, yes. He requested me to open the door. So it is clear. If it is a order, then you have to use 2 plus v1, infinitive form. If it is a request, also the same thing, then order.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
मैम रिक्वेस्टेड का सिनोनिम्स भी लिख सकते हैं ना मैम उसकी जगह पे सेड टू मी की जगह पे.
हाँ सिनोनिम लिख सकते.
मैम रिक्वेस्टेड की जगह विश्ड टू मी टू ओपन द डोर.
विश्ड नहीं होगा, प्लीडेड हो सकता है. Wish is different. Wish meaning is different. It is not a synonym of request. Wish तो desire हुआ ना. Said to the,
मैम.
हाँ बोलो श्रीजा.
मैम कोई सेंटेंस लिखते हैं तो अगर अपोस्ट्रॉफी मैम सेंटेंस के बीच में भी स्टार्ट होगा तो उसके अंदर जो वर्ड होगा वो कैपिटल से शुरू करेंगे.
नहीं समझे.
मैम जैसे ही सेड टू मी प्लीज ओपन द डोर आप लिखी हैं तो मैम अपोस्ट्रॉफी के अंदर भी कैपिटल से स्टार्ट करना होता है.
नहीं, ये तो apostrophe यहाँ तो कैपिटल से ही स्टार्ट होगा ना. Here you have to use the capital letter. Here no need to use the capital letter. Because
Yes, ma'am. मैम नॉर्मल लेटर से लिखाएगा मैम.
here you have
Small letter
joined,
से.
here you have joined the two sentence. So you have to you can use the small letter, but here you have to use the capital letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Arrange the files. Okay. So who will answer this? Avni Angel. Avni.
Ma'am, can I?
Avni Angel.
May I?
Wait, I want some new student to respond. Avni Angel. Harshit Raj. Harshit Raj. Harshit. Avni. Abhishek. Avni Angel. No response. Okay, Ashish, you have answered. Harshvardhan is not there. Harshvardhan used to answer. Harshvardhan. Hello. Mohit.
Ma'am, can I?
Mohit Kondilya. Mohit, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Mohit.
can I?
Wait. Mohit.
Ma'am, can I?
विशाखा तन्वी जानवी तीजा ये लोग तो हमेशा आंसर करते हैं. I want someone, you people answer,
Ma'am, can I?
you give response. I want someone who doesn't respond. Harshit Raj. Harshit. Abhishek. No response. Okay, Anurag hasn't answered today.
Ma'am, the principal ordered peon to arrange all the files.
Yes, the principal ordered the peon to arrange the files. Okay. Okay. Then we'll answer this.
Ma'am, can I?
May I?
Oh,
Ma'am, can I?
Pooja, you want to answer? Pooja? Okay, Vishakha hasn't
Yes, ma'am.
answered today. Vishakha?
Ma'am, can I?
Vishakha?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
The doctor advised him to have a balanced diet.
Yes, the doctor advised him to have a balanced diet. The doctor,
मैम यहाँ suggested use कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, suggested भी हो सकता है to have a balanced diet. Okay, so now we have done statements and request, order and command. Now interrogative is left and exclamatory is left. That interrogative I will start tomorrow. Today we can do some more sentences. He said the gardener is watering the plants.
Yeah.
Mother said hard work.
मैम ये होमवर्क है कि मैम अभी कॉपी में बना के बताएं हैं.
अभी करना है, क्लास वर्क है. We will discuss it in the class itself. Because I want to go slow so that you understand it properly and practice it also. So he said, first, whatever we have done, we will practice it and then we will move further. So he, okay, so we'll do the first one.
Ma'am, can I?
Vijay Lakshmi. Okay,
Yes,
Vijay
ma'am.
Lakshmi, you just
Ma'am.
answered. Wait. Ashish
Ma'am.
answer. Ashish.
Ma'am, he said that the gardener was watering the plants.
Yes. So what is the tense of this sentence? Present continuous. So you will change it into past continuous. He said.
Present continuous is converted into past continuous.
Yes, present continuous is converted to past continuous. So we have present continuous is watering. It will become was watering. So you just have to change one verb to change the tense. That is why I told you to remember that is, am, are changes to was, were. He said that the gardener was watering.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rija.
मैम अगर कहीं पे ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं भी दिया हुआ है तो सेड की जगह हम लोग कोई और सिनोनिम्स मतलब कोई और वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं जैसे कि रिमार्क करना या फिर स्टेट करना.
Yes, it depends on what the sentence is conveying. You can use different verbs. Like the headmaster said tomorrow will be a holiday. So you can use the word announced. The headmaster announced that the next day would be a holiday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You can use different verbs according to what the... He said that the gardener was watering. Okay. Then mother said hard work is the key to success. Who will do
Ma'am,
this?
can I?
Vijay?
Can
May I
I?
answer, ma'am?
Wait, some new student who hasn't answered today. Anurag has answered. Vijay Lakshmi has also answered.
Ma'am, can
Someone who hasn't answered today. Harshit Raj. Harshit Raj. Harshit. Okay, Anurag, you answer. Anurag.
My mother told me that hard work is the key to success.
Mother not told because
मैम यहाँ पे माई नहीं है मैम मदर ही ना होगा सिर्फ.
mother said that. So repeat it, Anurag.
Mother told me that hard work is the key to success.
Me is not given, so don't use told, use said. Mother said that.
मैम सेड टू मी नहीं है तो मैम टोल्ड नहीं होगा मैम सेड ही होगा.
That is what I am telling Anurag. That because it is not given said to me, so use said itself. Mother said that hard work is the key to success. So here it is a proverb. This is a proverb. So you will not change is to was. Okay. Then Rohit said, I finished my homework. Who will change this?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am. Rohit said that he had finished his homework.
Yes, very good. This is simple past. So simple past will be changed to past perfect. That he had finished his homework. So simple past changes to past perfect. So had finished his homework. Mala said, I didn't break the cup. Srija, you want to try this? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Mala said that she hadn't broken the cup.
Yes, very good. Mala said, so here didn't is already past tense. As I told you, if you have the past tense, then you will change it into past perfect. So didn't is past tense. So you will change it into past perfect. Hadn't plus V3. That she hadn't broken the cup. Mohit Kondilya. Mohit, can you hear me? Harshit Raj. Harshit Raj. Harshit. Mayank. Mayank. So I think those students join, only 10 to 12 students are interested in studying. Others, they just join the class and go away somewhere, or they are involved in some other thing. That is why I don't get response when I call out the names. And I remember each and every name that I call out.
Right, brother.
Ma'am, can I answer the fifth one?
Wait, let me call out some.
Ma'am, may I?
Mayank, Mohit, Mayank, Mohit, Harshit Raj, Aditi,
Ma'am, can I?
From tomorrow, I am going to tell you to put on your cameras. Switch on your cameras, and then, because see, Shivam Raj, Mayank, no response. Shivam Raj, Mayank. Okay, Vijayalakshmi, answer.
Yes, ma'am. Sneha requested to me that please lend this book. Please lend my book from him to him.
No. Here you don't have to use. Okay.
May I?
Ashish.
Sneha requested me to lend my book to her.
My book.
Please नहीं use करना है. To lend my book. Simply 2 plus V1.